In this video, I'll show you how to change control center style from this on your Android phone to this. You see that? So this is the new Android phone control center style. And here, I'm going to show you how you can turn off the old control center style and turn on the new control center style on your Android phone. So if you enjoyed this video, you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to change your control center style on Android phone, all you need to do is go to your Android phone settings. On the settings page, just scroll down. Click on notifications and status bar. Then while on this page, scroll down. Locate control center style and click on that. Then here if you see the old version and then the new version. If you selected old version like this, then swipe down the control center. This is what you're going to see. See that? But if you choose new version, then swipe down the control center. This is what you're going to see. Now spot the difference between the new control center and then the old control center. So this I can easily change your Android phone control center from old to new. So if you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.